the grid of your ECG paper, ito yung big square. Tama? Kita ba dyan? Another big square. One big square, okay, is divided into 5 smaller squares. In terms of time, one small square is, all right. So one big square is
0.20.
0.20. Ganun na.
No.
Ihama ko isa. Sa millivolts, one big square is 1 millivolt. 1 millivolt. 5 small. So, lalapasan parang 0.2 millivolt per small square. So, yun ang isang big square, okay? Pag PR interval, usually yan, 4 to 5 small squares. Diba? 0.16 to 0.20. 0.20 maximum, no? QT interval, 0.35. So, lalabas yan, divided by 0.04, 7, 8, mga 8 to 9. 8 to 9 small squares. Your QT interval. Right? Yun, QT interval. Okay. Between two QRS complexes, ayun ang sinasabi kong Q-wave. But yet, this is a normal Q-wave. If your Q-wave is longer,
Sorry, nanginginig ako.
compared to your R, lumampas siya ng 1/2, actually 1/3. Okay, your ratio, 1/3 ng Q-wave mo, ng R-wave mo, then chances are it is a pathologic Q-wave.
Ang likot.
A normal Q-wave is different from a pathologic Q-wave. A normal Q-wave, ganito lang ang itsura, and this is part of your ventricular depolarization. Now, pag malalim na yan, ibig sabihin merong myocardial injury na yan. Nagkaroon ng necrosis, meron ng replacement with fibrosis na. May myocardial fibrosis ka na, which usually is related to an old infarction. Okay. The difference between two QRS complexes is your RR interval. Diyan kukunin yung sinabi natin kanina, the reciprocal of the interval. ST segment. ST segment. Pag ito nag-prolong, ang ST segment mo, siyempre, ano magpo-prolong? Beauty interval, di ba? Nag-prolong to eh. So, makakatak to.
Repo.
So, magpo-prolong yan. Your ST segment, for your information, is still by far the most sensitive predictor of myocardial ischemia. Pag nagkaroon ka ng ST segment depression, and remember, myocardial infarction, classic, is your ST segment elevation. Kaya ang ST segment mo, madaming sinasabi yan. Okay? So you be mindful of this. Then you're going to have what we call a J point. Ang J point is here.
Bagaman.
Doon mo susukatin ang
Huwag
ST
malik.
segment mo. Ang ST segment, pwede ka magkaroon ng ST
Okay.
segment depression. You will base that on your measurement from your
Bayan.
J point. Yung J point na yun, doon doon ka magsusukat. So, ST segment depression, meron na kayong grid. Sabihin mo na lang, 1 millimeter. This is 1 millimeter kasi. 1 millimeter ST segment depression. 2 to 3 millimeter ST segment depression. Yun ang magiging readings nyo as far as myocardial ischemia is concerned. Okay? So that, ladies and gentlemen, is a normal standardized ECG.